Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to create the EC2 instance. First we have to go to AWS Academy and go to dashboard. In dashboard we have to select the 1522224. In that we will be selecting the modules. After that and that will be going to launch AWS Academic Learner Lab. In that lab, we have to start the lab. Then we'll be getting like this page. In this page, we have to do the start lab. When we'll be doing the start lab, here AWS red icon will be changing to yellow. When it changes to green, it means we are ready to on the AWS portal. It takes some time, so we'll be waiting for that. See here we got the green. Then we should click on that icon and then it will be directing to this page. In this we are going to see now about EC2. So we will be selecting on EC2. In EC2, we can see here a instance is running. Like if we forgot to off the instance after using, here we can see about the things like 0 or 1. And that because of that, the cost will be tally for us. Here, we will be going to launch instance. And in launch instance, here we will be giving the unique name like our hall ticket number and today's date. Like we can give like 0 and like today's date is 7th and May, so 7 and 0. And here we will be selecting the Amazon Linux. After that, we'll be going to instance type. Here we can select the instance type as t2.micro. After selecting, here for Linux, the key pair will be working. So we should select working. Then after, we have to select these as protocols. And after that, we will be doing the launch instance. This is the thing we have launched the instance. We can go and see. See, this is the instance we have created and it is in the running state. Like before we have seen that it is 0, now it will be 1. The instance running is 1. To delete the instance, we will be going to instances and selecting that and we'll be going to actions, instance state and terminate instance. It is showing like shutting down. Before we have seen that it is in running state. So after some time we can see that it is terminated because of the state it is. In this way, we can create the instance and delete the instance. As I said before, we can see here it is terminated. So, like this, we can create the instance and delete the instance. And here again, we can go and we can delete it. That's it. And here we can see dashboard as instances are zero because of, like, before we have terminated the one instance, so here no instances are there. That's the reason this is the zero. And that's it. We can go to AWS and we can go back to the launch, and we can end the lab, and we can do that is about the EC2 instance creation. Thank you.